So I've flown at this spot a couple times in the vlogs for those of you that watch, and this house is my grandma's house. They've been working on it. It's been in the works. They've had like, she owns all this land, by the way. Like it goes hella that far, and then it goes to where the cows are, just over there. But there's this huge pond over here. It's actually super cool. She's super excited about it too. Just kind of backstory on here, and I really like flying over water. I like flying over this spot. It's cool. It's straight up cool. There's a lot of geese and there's some pelicans in there too, which is super cool. And yeah, you can catch fish. It's just a cool, groovy little place. I'm excited to see what this land gets turned into. A lot of speculation, that's for sure. Here's the entryway. Really big door. But yeah, we missed golden hour. If we would have came like 40 minutes earlier, that sun would still be up. But look, I guess you can kind of see the horizon here. It looks really pretty. Intense water bottle chugging going on right now.
Dude, I need help real bad. Well, tits, dude, I don't know what to do.
All right, today's the day. Today's the real day where I show you the boat races. I caught a cold last night, I guess, or my nose is just running or something.
Come here.
You gonna throw it for her? I remember the golf course was just packed. The boat races used to be a lot cooler. They used to have a lot more big racers, but I guess it was on the circuit, is what my dad was saying. And he said they used to race like 8 to 10 boats. But did they say why they took it off the circuit?
Filming me?
Yeah, filming you.
No comment.
Okay, let's see it. Floss.
It's just an honest question.
Do you think you can kill him?
What?
I said, do you think you can kill him?
These aren't rubber arrows?
So, he wants me to hit him.
Put that there. See if I can hit that ball. Oh, come on.
Sure, I can hit it laying down.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, that was the back
end.
Oh, no. We got Dirty Mike. He's been a professional dart thrower, and now he's just switched to throwing knives.
Yeah, I used to be a predator.
What happened?
You became an alien.
Gosh, dang it.
That's the back again. Gosh, dang it.
Kobe for accuracy, E for distance.
You're recording, that's right.
Oh, that's a back.
That was the handle.
Let me see. It's stiff.
It went in, whether it goes in the back or the front.
All right,
still counts.
it's my turn. It's my turn.
Kobe.
Just bounced off.
Dude, it's not a ball. Ah! It's not baseball, dude.
Bro!
It did cartwheels.
Okay, Jordan. I got a 360 spin on it. Oh! Is that handle?
The front of it?
Yeah, that's front.
Yeah, boy.
So it looks like Zay and That was like we were like right next to each other too.
Yeah,
Zay and Jordan got front. Brendan, you got back.
Mine went
I got
higher up,
nothing.
Zay, so.
Duck it right.
Oh, Allie, disrupt their game.
Ooh.
The water bottle.
Throw her in! This is where our filming career started. Was in this basement right here. It was me, Thane, and that sexy, beautiful unicorn man over there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's all these holes in the wall. Yeah, you can. These are from our dart playing days. Got some gashes in the ceiling.
It's history. It's only 3 years old, guys.
It's
Chill out. Maybe 10 years.
2014 was when we started officially.
Yeah, we're gonna show you now.
No, you
Oh my! No, I'm not. I have no association, no affiliation with that guy.
No, Jordan, you know.
Don't mention his name.
Oh.
My shit.
Zay did a naughty.
Always. Go ahead,
Alright, you get that pulled up? So I'll have you zoom in. I never want to grab people's phones.
So the last thing I've got to do on this trip is I'm actually doing a job that we're gonna go film right now, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So I've taken you guys on my little job excavation adventures before, and here's another one.
This one's to my best friend's house, Bentley.
Best friend Bentley. Bentley watches these videos.
Bentley, shout out to you. I love you so much.